turn on my shower first. I'm going to wash my hands. And the first thing I will do is to take a dry paper towel, turn on the water, sure it's going to look warm, fill the paper towel. I will wet my hands. With soap. And I will rub my hands together. And make sure I do my nails on both sides, in between my fingers and the wrists. And I will keep scrubbing. And then, after I did a good and soapy and did all that really good, and I will rinse my hands for about 30 seconds. That is about saying happy birthday for about 2 times. And you always keep your hands pointed down so the water will go down. And just make sure you rinse it off really good. And that is done. Okay. 30 seconds. And you'll get a dry piece of paper towel. Dry your hands. A regular towel. Get another paper towel. Read it towel. Turn off your water. And throw away your paper towel. It's got to say that you're supposed to be standing back so your clothes won't get wet. And now I'm going to demonstrate taking off your gloves and putting your gloves on. Okay. Make sure your gloves don't have any holes in them. You put them on. Inspect them. And then when you take off your gloves, take your right hand and ball it up in a ball. Put it in your left, take it off and put it in your left hand with 2 fingers of your clean hand. Roll it up, make sure it's inside out, throw it away. And then you will wash your hands all over again.